everyone, welcome. My name is Sandra and I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm, a small boutique on Main Street in Pine City, Minnesota. And we do upcycled, repurposed furniture and home decor and gifts. You can find us on all the social medias, which are linked below, as well as our website, which is linked below as well. It's www.midwestcharm.co. No M, you guys. You can also email us at midwestcharm10@gmail.com, and that is for purchasing, for questions that you might not have gotten answered here on YouTube, or just whatever you'd like. And let's get to today's topic. We are on part 4 of our series on vignettes, and this one is on texture. So in a vignette, again, both on the large scale and small scale, you want to have texture in your vignette. And with that, I mean multiple textures. So you don't just have a flat that you're looking. I don't know how to word it. What I'm better at is showing you what I mean. Let me flip you around. We're going to start here with this little vignette. And while this is how we display our wreaths in greenery, it is a really good example of texture. We have the little bunny in there who is ceramic, which is one texture. We have the wood little tobacco basket, which is another texture. The greenery is all its own different textures. We've got the harder strings of pearls. We've got the soft little ferns, and then we've got these beautiful white creamy florals with the creamy blanket next to it. And it all with the odd numbers, with everything we've discussed. It just pulls you in. It makes you want to reach in and pick up that bunny and hold him, or touch the greenery or the blanket. And it's so important that you have those different textures in there so that it's not a hard look, or it's not just all a soft look. You've got the metal, you've got the wood handles or the frame, and then you have all the towels to soften it up. We can go over here to this example. We've got the book, we've got the hard, we've got the wood and the greenery, and then we have the greenery itself in the purple. And with these, you've got that really good grouping of all those textures that make it look more appealing. Trying to think, here's a good example. You have the wood of the tote, the metal, which gives it, I don't even know what you want to call the metal texture on that, but then the glass. This could actually use some greenery or something more soft in it, which is what I think my daughter was doing by bringing in these towels right here. But something soft in there, just a little sprig in one of these little vases. I don't see one, I'd grab it, would be even just enough to soften that up and make it more appealing to the eye. Here we've got the hard in the glass. We've got the wood, we've got the greenery, and you've got some really great textures going on, and that fits all of our points that we have gone over. Same with this one. We have the greenery in that. You've got the hard, and then you've got the plate back there with the shiny glass. So you've got to mix in your textures and make sure that you're getting a really good grouping of them so that it just makes it softer. This is a great idea here too with the greenery in back. You've got your wood clothespins, and then you have your ironstone. And the same with this here. We've got the book, the ironstone, the wood, the greenery to make it a little bit softer, and then the ironstone. And this, even with this, you have your wood bookends with your books, which have all sorts of beautiful, lovely texture on them. But then we have the glass book face with a string of pearls hanging out of it that add just that nice pop that make it more inviting and more natural. And that's what we're really going for. Let me turn. And that's what we're going for, is just a real natural comfort level that these people, your customers, are going to want to reach over and grab those items. Again, if they're picking it up, the chances of them buying it go up. So you want to make sure you're doing that. So let's recap really quick. We've gone over color matching, odd numbers, varying heights and textures. If you have questions, make sure to ask below or email us. And if you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, hit that little notification bell so you get notified when we release new content. And we will see you all next time. Bye.